my name is Mr. Fortune and I'm your music teacher. So I hope you're staying safe at home and you're doing well. Today we'll be looking at a topic called drawing the treble clef on the staff. Now we all know that the treble clef is one of the two clefs you have in music at your level. The two clefs we've talked about, that it is used for writing music for high-pitched voice like the soprano and the alto, and then for high-pitched instruments like the recorder, the violin, and then also for the right hand of the piano. So today we'll be learning how to draw the treble clef. So I'll take you on the steps that you could use to draw this treble clef effectively. The first step we would use to draw the treble clef is first drawing the staff, which contains 5 lines. Make sure your lines are very straight. 5 lines and 4 spaces. Okay, so that's our first step. We draw 5 lines and 4 spaces. Now, step 2, put the bar here. Now, step 2, we do this. Now, step 1, draw the staff. Okay, draw the staff, 5 lines and 4 spaces. Now, step 2, we draw a dot on the staff at some point like this. So place a dot on the staff. Place the dot on the second line of the staff. So place the dot. So we draw the staff again. Remember, we'll repeat every step that we've done before in the next, so that we can get a very better understanding. So step 2, we place a dot on the second line of the staff. Now this is line 1, and so this is our line 2. Remember, you count from bottom to top, not from top to bottom. So we have placed it around somewhere here. Okay, so the next step, step 3 is draw the letter J on the staff. We draw the letter J on your staff now. So this is our staff. So bring back a line down here. Now the letter J must come across the line we have. So we'll do it this way. So that is it. Make sure yours is very straight. So what the difference is, you won't have to put the dash on top like the usual capital J, but just a small letter J. So the step 4. Now you're going to draw a curve from line 3 to line 2. Draw a curve from line 3 to line 2. Okay, so we bring back a staff here. Dot, then our J. Now record from line 3 to line 2 would be this. So we put it here at line 3 at the center of the J. We draw a curve from line 3 to line 2. Okay, this is a curve. So we go to the next step. The next step is to draw a curve from line 3 to line 1. Remember, the curve on the Step 5 is at the left side of the J. So step 5, now draw another curve. Draw a curve from line 3 to line 1. So this other curve would be on the right side of your J. So draw a curve. Put a dot again. The J. Now our first curve from line 2 to 3, and then the second curve from line 3 to line 1. Okay? So that is our step 5. Now step 6. Step 6, what you're going to do is draw another bigger curve from line 5 to line 1. Draw another curve from line 5 to line 1. So we take it again, the staff, our dot, the J, make sure your J is on the dot, the first curve, second curve. Now the next one says draw a curve from line 5 to line 1. So this is a line 5. We draw a curve from line 5 to line 1. Okay, so that is it. So the very last step we have here, step 7. Okay, step 7 is draw another curve above line 5. Now this one is going to be a little bit outside the staff, so pay very close attention. So the J dot, curve 1, curve 2, curve 3, then the next curve would be here. Join it with your curve 5. So we've been able to draw the treble clef on the staff. So we've put together 7 steps to achieve the drawing of the treble clef on the staff. So our first step was drawing the staff on the board. Then at step 2 we placed a dot on the second line of the staff. Here it is. Now in step 3 we drew a small letter J. Okay, that comes across a dot. Now in step 4 we drew a curve from line 3 to line 2. This is line 3. Now it is at the left side of our J. Okay, so we draw a curve from line 3 to line 2. Then the next step, at step 5, we had a curve from line 3 to line 1. So this is our line 3. Now on the right side of J, we draw the curve to line 1. Now at step 6 was to draw another curve. Now this other curve is much more bigger than the ones we'll be drawing. Okay, so we draw a curve from line 5 to line 1, merging it with our other curve at the right side. Now the last step was to draw another curve at the top of line 5. So I'd also want you to draw and send it in your notes as an assignment. So at this point we take assignments which you also have to write for me. Okay, so now for assignment number 1, how many steps do we have in drawing the treble clef? Okay, we have the list of the steps on board, so just follow the counting and then tell me how many steps you have in the drawing. Now the curve from line 2 to line 1 is found in which step? So you tell me which of these steps we draw a curve from line 2 to line, sorry, from line 3 to line 2, not 2 to 1. So from line 3 to line 2, not from line 2 to 1. Now draw the treble clef with all the steps you've learned. So you're going to draw a treble clef for me. I'm not asking you to write it the way it's on the board. Just give me a final diagram of the treble clef, okay? I need something like looks like this. So follow all the steps, but arrive at one diagram, one drawing for the treble clef on the staff. So at this point, we've come to the end of our lesson for today. I really hope you stay safe at home till our next video. Have a nice day. Bye.